Okay, tara mag-react ulit tayo sa videos ni Gabi. 3, 2, 1. Ito na pagpundan natin yan, kaya lipat pa. Okay. Ako yan. I wish I could love her like a Howie. Lipat na natin dyan. I'm sure madaming ulit ganyan.
Let's see if they're doing their job today. What is happening here? Let's see if
Ha, hindi ko naintindihan. Kaya lilipat ko na, guys. I-turn around nyo na lang kasi